Hi, Scott Schubert here. Have you ever considered using your skill in Forex trading to trade an account for someone else, such as a friend or a family member? I'm sure you've experienced that when other people discover that you're involved in Forex trading, often they will say, well, would you take some of my money and trade it for me? Have you ever considered becoming a professional Forex Fund Manager? Well, for the first time in almost a year, we are accepting a few people into the Platinum Trading Group. And this year, we are developing a community that is built on meeting the current demand for Forex Fund Managers. I believe that the potential for the Forex Fund Management business is now huge, and here's why. Over the last few years, the Forex trading industry has become wildly popular, and every day, more and more people are becoming interested in Forex trading. But after they get involved in Forex trading, they are discovering that very few people have the patience, discipline, and motivation to actually master the art of Forex trading over the long term.
Because of that, so many people have tried things like robots that don't really work, and now it seems that there are huge numbers of people who would love to just have someone else trade their investment capital for them. Plus, there are a lot of people who want to invest or trade but just don't have the time or the time to learn how to trade. People like doctors, lawyers, small business owners, CEOs, real estate agents, anyone who has some investment capital is very likely to want to have someone with a proven track record to trade their capital for them. A person who can trade Forex using the methods that are taught in our Forex course and in the Platinum Trading Group is in extremely high demand. The skills you will develop in trading are not only limited to the Forex spot market, although I consider Forex to be potentially the most lucrative of the financial markets. The methods taught in our course and the Platinum Trading Group will work for Forex spot, currency futures, and commodities such as crude oil, metals, corn, wheat, etc. And since Forex trading is, I believe, the one business that continues to produce the same opportunities throughout economic recession, becoming a Forex Fund Manager is an extremely desirable career and business path well worth investing some time, study, and work. How does it work to be a Forex Fund Manager? Typically, a fund manager will trade the capital of other investors who desire the lucrative returns that are possible in the Forex market. Fund managers who show results like some traders in our community are sought after to trade the accounts of others. And a fund manager typically charges a percentage of the returns, which is a win-win deal that is performance-based. I've seen the rates vary from about 25 to 50% of the monthly profits. Believe me, savvy investors are always happy to pay that amount to get returns that are still higher than other forms of investment. Now let's take a look at what that can do for you. Let's say you are able to trade only an additional $100,000 of other people's capital. If you were to use a maximum of 2% capital at risk per trade, and if your stop loss were to average around 50 pips per trade, and if you were able to gain a profit of around 100 pips, let's say 1 or 2, 3 times a week, is it possible to get 300 pips per week? Well, with only 2% capital at risk and gaining a profit of 100 pips 3 times on average per week, after about a month you could have increased the capital by an additional $48,000. Well, $48,000 times 25 to 50% is $12,000 to $24,000. That's about how much a Forex Fund Manager could expect to earn trading only an additional $100,000 of other people's capital. 300 pips per week is not an unreasonable expectation, and there are traders in our community who have far exceeded that amount. But if those numbers don't seem realistic to you, try running the numbers that do make the most sense to you. What if you are responsible for trading an additional $1 million in capital or more? Is that possible? Well, in the fund management business, of course, that's not only possible, it's very feasible. especially based on the number of people who would love to have their funds traded by someone who trades very well. Which is part of my own hidden motive for why I'm willing to share this opportunity with you. In the Platinum Trading Group, you will learn to trade Forex for whatever goals and plans you have. And there's no requirement for anyone to trade any account other than your own. But a lot of people are very interested in expanding their horizons into Forex fund management. And among those people, there are some who are interested in working as a team where they can focus on trading, while others are taking care of the marketing and customer service duties involved in a large managed fund. So you can trade your own account, you can manage other accounts, and you can participate in managing funds with a dynamic team that provides the customer's funds to you, in which case all you have to do is trade the way you normally do. You don't have to solicit clients. You don't have to go around doing presentations to convince people why they should trade with you. You don't even have to talk to the customers at all. If you love trading, if you're passionate about the Forex trading business, all you have to do is enter and exit trades the way you would normally do it, and enjoy your freedom and independence trading in your own home or office just the way you would be doing if you're trading only your own account.
Even if you're only interested in trading your own account, I believe that every trader should manage at least one other account for your favorite charity, philanthropic organization, or nonprofit of your choice. So while the doors are still open for a few more people in the Platinum Trading Group, take your time and consider whether Forex Fund Management might be the right path for you. Do some research on the subject, and when you're ready, visit our website at www.forextradingseminar.com.